Welcome to Master Trader's Weekly Trade Review. I'm Dan Gibby, and in this lesson, we've all experienced it. You buy a breakout, and then it immediately failed, and you get a little bit gun-shy, but I'm going to share with you a very simple method today of a tell to give you the additional confidence that the breakout is going to work. Of course, they all are not. That's why we have stop losses, but I'm going to teach you something that significantly increases the probability of success. This is our breakout play. We're technical-based traders. We start with a compelling pattern, then we overlay our other concepts that make up our total approach. That includes such things as what trend is it in? Is it on support or resistance? Is it multiple time frames in alignment? What are the broader markets doing and internals, etc.? So a breakout play is consolidation, either in an uptrend or a sideways trend in a downtrend or sideways trend. And then it breaks out through consolidation. We teach the initial breakout, which I'm going to cover today, is where we want bullish price action at resistance. And then I'm going to show you the tell, as I call it. We never buy breakouts that run from the bottom of the range through the top of the range, a concept of ours greater than 100% retracement that the majority of the time sets up a retracement where we can then buy. So this is a secondary place to enter breakouts. It already decisively broke out, and then it retraced in a bullish manner, reversed on minor support here, and then we're in the trade and off to the races. CHX we gave to our subscribers. Every one of our charts are this clean. This is a daily. The blue is the 20, green 50, red 200 period moving averages. And we have a tip here. We use moving averages as a visual aid. They speed up the analysis. So I want you to picture here taking these candlesticks off. So let me help you picture that. The red is 200, so I have a long-term bullish uptrend in CHX energy stock. My 20 and 50 have rolled over, so I have both a short-term and intermediate-term retracement within a longer-term uptrend. Now, moving averages, they're very simply, they just take the closing price on that time frame, divide by X, and they print out a squiggly line. So notice here, because of the trading range over many weeks to months, it caused both the 20 and the 50 to flatten out. Now they're all three are converging and up. It's converging and up. And then, we obviously are trading price patterns, not moving averages. But converging moving averages bring us to an inflection point. The candles and the patterns tell us when to strike. Now, let's actually start the analysis down here. This was a breakdown failure. It was under all of the three moving averages, and that suggested lower prices. What did it do? It did greater than 100% retracement, taking out this resistance, and then going sideways for another 3+ weeks. So it's on our radar screen every day. And if you look to the left over here, this is what we call a price void. It means there's insignificant congestion or resistance to the left to allow for a move up. And that's what the initial breakdown is. So remember I said on the prior slide, I want bullish price action at resistance. That's what I got here. There's nothing to do here. I got topping tails in red bars. There's still nothing to do. Now you have my attention again on this green bar. It was a gap under all of these bars in range expansion engulfing bar. You got my attention. Next bar, higher high, higher low. Next bar, higher high, higher low bar. Next bar. Uh-oh. It traded under the low of these two bars. Well, the day's not over yet, right? The candle's not done until 4 p.m. on a daily chart. So it took out the lows and closed, maybe a penny or two over the closing price the prior day. It doesn't matter that much. But it left a bottoming tail at the highs of all of this multi-month resistance with a price void. We gave the trade to our subscribers, buy over the high of this bottoming tail bar. This is a closed trade. All of our open and closed trades are in members area for our subscribers. We give the date, the symbol, the stock or option strategy, the technical setup. So you can see right here, breakout daily, weekly. We sold into 3 lots into strength. We had a nice move up here to resistance. So we sold, 2/3 into the slowing momentum right here, sat through a small pullback because it's still a bullish breakout. And then we just sold into strength at this prior high. So a beautiful 8-day swing trade, $528 and almost 14%, very easy to manage. If you'd like to get stock and option trades using our technical based approach, my partner Greg Capper gives amazing techno-fundamental intermarket analysis on the weekends. Go to mastertrader.com/advisory swing. Take a no-brainer 1-month trial. Any questions, as always, email Greg or me. Good trading. Look forward to seeing you in the next trade review video.